Steamrip co-op games. Steamrip refers to a website or service known for distributing pirated video games, particularly those from the digital distribution platform Steam. It is not a legitimate or legal service and operates in violation of copyright laws and intellectual property rights. Key points about Steamrip *1. Illegal content distribution *. Steamrip is known for hosting or linking to pirated versions of games available on Steam. This means it provides access to games without proper licensing or authorization from the developers or publishers. 2. Piracy risks *. Legal risks *. Using or distributing pirated content is illegal and can lead to legal consequences for both users and those who operate such sites. Security risks *. Downloading games from unverified sources like Steamrip can expose users to malware, viruses, and other security threats. These files may be tampered with, potentially harming your computer or stealing personal information. 3. Impact on developers *. Piracy negatively impacts game developers and publishers by depriving them of revenue from legitimate sales. This can affect their ability to fund new projects and support existing ones. 4. Alternatives to Steamrip *. Legitimate platforms *. To support game developers and ensure a safe and legal experience, it's best to purchase games through legitimate platforms such as Steam, Epic Games Store, GOG, or directly from game developers' websites. Sales and discounts *. Many official platforms offer sales, discounts, and bundles that can provide games at a lower cost without resorting to illegal sources. 5. Ethical considerations *. Supporting developers by purchasing games legally contributes to the industry's growth and the creation of more quality content. Piracy undermines this support and can lead to broader consequences for the gaming community. Conclusion: Steamrip and similar sites are involved in illegal activities and pose significant risks to users. Engaging with such platforms not only violates copyright laws but also exposes users to potential security threats. For a safe and legal gaming experience, it's essential to use official game distribution services and support the creators who develop the games.